kids, and this is Sister Ardens, and I'm back to teach you guys a new number. This is the number 14. So it's 1 and then a 4, so that is 14. If you see a 1 in front of it, except for the number 11 and 12, the rest of them say teen if there's a 1 in front. So 14. Now 14, tally marks looks like 13. It's 5 and 5 make 10, but there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. And this is how we spell the word 14. Or we spell the word 4 and then put a teen on the end. 14. Now this is how we make 14 cents. There's a dime, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we don't have enough hands to make 14 with our 2 hands because you need 3, but it's 5 and 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Here's a full 10 frame. When every dot is in a 10 frame, that's full frame and it's always 10. Then we put the dots in the bottom one. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here's 14 in dominoes. This is always a 10. 5 and 5. 5 and 5 always make 10. 5 and 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And they look the same on dice, so 5 and 5 is 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 more make 14. Here is blocks. The big long one is always 10. So there's 10. And we count the others. 11, 12, 13, 14. And here are Unifix cubes. There's 10. Big long one's always 10. And then we count the others. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. Now get out your number book. And I'm going to turn to the number 14. Look like that. Now get something to draw with, or color with. Now what I'm going to use is a color blue, and I'm going to do it in markers so you guys can see. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you can color the snowflake in later, but trace the number 14. So start at the black dot, make one line down. That makes the 1, then start at the next black dot, go down, where there's a 2, follow it across, go up to the 3 and follow it down. That should look like that. Then you can color in the number 14. Color neatly. Nice bold dark lines. Give you practice coloring the lines. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Just color in the 14. So it looks something like that. Now you're going to trace the 14. So you follow the dotted line down. Do the 1, then the 4. Do the 1, then the 4. Another 1, then the 4. Another 1, then the 4. So it should look like this. Now trace the word 14. Gives you some practice with letters. It's F, then O, U, R, 4, and then T, E. 2 E's make the E sound, and then 14. Next, you're going to color 14 snowflakes. Well, let's count the ones on the top and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. we need all of those. So color in 10 on the top. And then think, how many do we need on the bottom? Once we have 10, what do we count next? There's 10. Then do another one that's 11. Then 12. 13. Then 14. And that's the last one. So they should look something like that. Next, circle the number 14. So you're going to circle every one that starts with a 1 and ends with a 4. Should be 1 and 4. So it should look like that when you're finished. Then in the last part, you're going to dot 14 boxes. So on the top box, color in 5 dots. Then on the bottom row below that, do another 5, and that will give you 10. Then we do 11, 12, 13, 14. And that's your number book. I hope you guys learned a little bit about the number 14, and I will be back with another number soon. Bye, guys.